Namaste and welcome back to Mom and Son's Notebook. Today, we have an exciting topic for all our viewers who are looking to make smart investment decisions. In this video, we will be discussing 5 high-return investment opportunities that you should consider. So, let's dive right in. Real estate. When it comes to long-term investments, real estate has always been a go-to option for many Indians. The Indian real estate market has shown significant growth, especially in fast-developing cities. Investing in properties that have the potential for appreciation can provide you with a stable income through rent and also offer the possibility of significant returns in the future. Keep an eye on emerging areas and upcoming infrastructure projects for potential investment opportunities. Mutual funds. If you're looking for a well-diversified investment avenue, mutual funds are worth considering. Mutual funds pool money from numerous investors and invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. The benefit of investing in mutual funds is that professional fund managers oversee the investments, making it easier for investors to access the financial markets. Mutual funds offer both growth potential and stability. However, it's important to choose funds that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Research the track record of the fund, its expense ratio, and the investment strategy before making your decision. Stock market. The stock market has the potential to deliver substantial returns if approached strategically. Investing in stocks requires careful research and understanding a company's fundamentals. Look for companies with solid financials, a competitive advantage in their industry, and a strong growth outlook. It's also essential to keep up with market trends and news that can impact stock prices. It's crucial to have a long-term perspective and not get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Diversify your portfolio by investing in stocks across different sectors to mitigate risks. Startups. India has witnessed an incredible surge in startups over the past decade, with many emerging as success stories. Investing in startups can be a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. However, thorough research and due diligence are imperative before investing your hard-earned money. Look for startups that have a strong value proposition, an experienced management team, and a scalable business model. Keep a keen eye on promising sectors like technology, healthcare, and renewable energy to identify potentially lucrative startup ventures. Consider investing through angel networks or venture capital funds to gain exposure to promising startups. Gold. Gold has stood the test of time as a trusted investment option in India. It acts as a hedge against inflation and provides a sense of security during uncertain times. You can invest in gold through physical gold, gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds, or sovereign gold bonds. Physical gold can be purchased in the form of jewelry, coins, or bars. Gold ETFs allow you to invest in gold without the hassle of physical storage. Sovereign gold bonds are government-backed securities that offer fixed returns along with the potential for capital appreciation. Remember, it's important to balance your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one golden basket. These were 5 high-return investment opportunities that you should consider. However, before investing, it's essential to consult with a financial advisor and assess your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment horizon. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these investment opportunities helpful. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.